Mr. Speaker, sir, I thank Honourable Naisa Tuinadeva for the question. I rise to provide this August House a response to that question regarding the security measures taken by Land Transport Authority to ensure its operating system is safe and protected from possible hacking. So the LTA has in place an operating system that is user-friendly and provides its essential services, daily operations of the organization. The use of this system operation helps increase productivity and efficiency by executing multiple tasks simultaneously to ease the workflow. Over the years, it is upgrading these operating systems according to its competencies and to enhance business processes. However, the more developed and advanced as we get in terms of technology, we need to ensure that the risk of manipulation and hacking is prevented or reduced. Especially the increase in computer attacks has a great impact, particularly those who depend on these services for their daily businesses. The LTA system is no exception. To address these issues, sir, the LTA through its IT department has implemented the following measures to protect its systems and data from hacking, tampering, or manipulation. One, network perimeter firewalls that scans and authorizes network data traffic, stops unauthorized and intrusive access into LTA systems and data by blocking or mitigating potential security threats in real time. Antivirus and anti-malware software that manages all end-user devices and server systems to detect and remove malicious software, including viruses, worms, trojans, spyware from the system. This is backed up by a managed service that monitors all events and alerts generated 24/7, ensuring proactive and remediation applied as and when necessary. Email security, that's another issue, big issue, where all coming emails are scanned to protect against malware, ransomware, and phishing scams. All emails that are suspicious or present anomalies are blocked or mitigated in terms of securities in real time. Conducting preventive maintenance to regularly apply security patches and updates provided by the operating system to address known vulnerabilities. Conducting vulnerability assessments and penetration testing ongoing in terms of the network and the websites. So a detailed report and remediation is then followed through. 6, implementing stronger user authentication mechanisms such as complex password requirements, mandatory changing of passwords at intervals. And number 7, conducting access audits to ensure authorized users have access to the appropriate data and systems. The authority has plans to further enhance its security postures and are evaluating the following tools, such as web application firewalls, security operations center with log management. Mr. Speaker, in addition to the protective measures to the LTA's operating system, the LTA also has in place the following: policies and standards of procedures governing its business processes in its daily operations. These are reviewed regularly to ensure regulatory compliance and, of course, accommodate any necessary changes and challenges. Audit investigations, number 2, are ongoing process, particularly in high-risk areas in terms of risk control and mitigation. And number 3, reconciliations are carried out regularly and in order to ensure accuracy in the statements, financial statements, data, stocks, and other data which is provided to customers. Thank you, sir.